Uh, welcome, everybody, welcome. Yeah, it's a sound check. I just hope you all can hear me. I pray you all can hear me. Yeah, give four. I'm on time. I'm not. So let's check who's here. Hello to everybody who's here. Sharp. Yeah, well, that's what's happening. Sharp. Good hand. All right. Akaqala he. Can you do me this? Can you beat some Morena Jason Genereso? Waka, hello Morena, hello Plus Waka. Hello. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing a few songs. Simply as a pie. I'll say five. By 4:30, I'll be out of your hair, guys. Yeah. So the first song is Bukhul. Yeah. So yeah, man, please do enjoy and if how about hallelujah or hallelujah, how about amen or amen, how about bless God or bless God. Yeah, no, I see you guys, I see you to me. I see you guys. Sure. Swara Hatina Bukhondi Baubulela Mugulu Bajehova Sakete Udibona Niteo Matawa Gadi Swara Diketa Bulela Hey Hente Tabatote Hente Tabawate Tipofano Mifuteo Mi Hodimo Hente Tabatote Okay, get beat up. So Shate Uribana Little Matawa Gaditswara Diketa Bulela Hadina Bkhol So Shate Uribana So Shate Uribana Got it far, you can't get tabule. Oh, Yende Tabatone, Hey, Hodimo, Yende Tabatone. All right. It's a so. That's so. Born. Hadina Bukhoni, Baumbulela Mulu Bajehova. Hadina Bukhoni, Baum. Born. That's so. Hey, born. Baubulela Hatina Bukhoni That's all That's all Hey, check it out Hatina Bukhoni Baubulela What? Tina Bongani, yeah. What? Good. What? Bahulala. Bongani bahulala. Hey, bahulala. Yeah. So kana lang kopela maso. So yeah, that was akibona. That was Bongani by Bongani Mculo. Yeah. So the next song that I'm gonna be doing ibitwa Bongani. So Bongani, it's on like it's a sing that I have on all these social platforms. So it's available for everyone to download, and I enjoy ale high. And then the second song that I'm gonna be doing, show na ya lockdown which is also available for download. So how did I just can to Google Play, iTunes, the thing of Filipinatina. So the other song that we're gonna be doing ke Baibitan. So this is the other song that I'm gonna be doing. And yeah. No, I see you guys. I see you. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support. Kiabona, you guys are here. Yeah. So the next song that I'm gonna be doing is Bongani, which is also available for download. Just download it. Yeah. Mutimu wa huluka uwaperi rajo ibile tete muha udia haunge nako Wahalalela Happy Mutimu Wahalalela Happy. So this is the second verse. Mutimu Bongani, Mutimu wa uluka wena umaperi habe ulukile Jesu ulukile imba udiea hey how swane libatu Jesu sayalukile muqalile mubheki wathumela tsarona ngimudisa yalukile muqalile mubheki wathumela tsarona ngimudisa yalukile isso zwalo vele muqadi isso zwalo vele seso ngimudisa ti papi akuti boy akuti muqadi kayichinchane oh ngimudisa kayichinchane oh ngimutwadi upilonolo zibatso nalitso jeso ngimutwadi one more time jeso ngimutwadi. Hey, taking it to the breeze, yeah. Yeah, na kimutwale. Mutula naliwena. Pusi, oh, kimutwale. Mutula naliwena. Okay, I have a Mzizi chance. Mzizi. Hey, Mzizi. Woo. Mzizi, one more time. Woo. This is just to remind everyone else. Umudimu is not a man that he should lie. How you say he will never leave us nor forsake us? He won. Matabani. Arobali aoteli. Siumutiari. Arobali aoteli. Usi harobale. Harobale, yeah. Okay, like we're gonna take it up. I need few people to stand with me as we declare Umudimu Harobale. Come on, Harobale, yeah. Utula naliruna. Harobale, Jesus. Hey, Tula naniwena, Jesus. Hey, Harobale. One more time, Harobale. Harobale. Harobali. Yeah. Guys, Mudimu Harobali. How it's like he's always with us. And he will never leave us. Like he will never. Yeah. Sure. Kyaleboa. No, I see the beautiful comment, guys. Hey, I'm very appreciating appreciative of the lovely comments. Yeah, I'm very appreciative. Yeah. But Mudimu harobali how never. So the next song that we're gonna be doing, this song is very close to my heart, because especially no chinano about this COVID-19 thing, and like it's just a lot. It's a load. It's a lot for us, especially as Christians, to bear. So this song is just an encouragement to Luena, and everyone out there. I think Tsepo will love this one. Tsepo has been nagging about this song. So, Tsepo Mfana, this is for you. This is for you. So the name of the song, Ere Mudimu, Ere Unati. Which it was co-produced by a brother of mine, Sia Abdisecha. Yeah, it was co-produced by Abdisecha. It's a very beautiful song. Yeah, it was written by a long friend of mine. So, Irefela Unati, like, we should not despair, because Mudimu is with us, and what we're going through. So, please do enjoy. My man. Mama, uJehova yakubo nokukhala kwakho, imithandazo yakho awulali, uhlala njalo, ukhala njalo mama. Ebusuku nemini uJesu nathi ungakhali mzansi uJehova yakubo nokukhala kwakho, imithandazo yakho awulali, uhlala njalo, ukhala njalo ebusuku nemini, but uJesu nathi, uJesu nathi, uJesu nathi, asoza sithele, akasoze asithele, akasoze asishiya, asifele Calvary, igama lakho sonini nanini. Unathi, uJesu nathi, unathi, asoza sishiye, asoza sishiye, asoza sishiye. Mzansi, It is not over. Akungapheli. Bekezela mzansi, bekezela. It is not over. Akungapheli. It is not over. Akungapheli. It is not over. Musa unotando tena siyakutumiza baba siyabonga. Oh hey. Yeah, I think I feel the need to encourage you guys. Begezela kuzolunga. Hey. Begezela kuzolunga. Hey mzansi. Encourage someone, encourage somebody. Begezela kuzolunga. Hey. Uchesu nathi begezela kuzolunga. Even though it doesn't look like way or feel that way, when all you gotta do is begezela kuzolunga. Even things are not going our way, but hey, begezela kuzolunga. Oh, yeah. This song is very close to my heart because initially I but only to realize it's bigger than that, you know. We must familiarize ourselves with it and meditate upon the word. Mudimu will never leave us nor forsake us. Yeah, so yeah, it's 4:25. Let me just do this song. Yeah, this is the 4th song that I'm doing, and then I'm gonna do my last song after that. Yeah. Kitlaema Katumelo kieme Kadi khaba kieme Ufihlela ungaraba Kitlaema Kapilu ebusuku kieme Kadi khaba kieme Ufihlela ungaraba angeke katlua buteng ba Jesu angeke katlua hu wena katumelo kamamelo Uba wena Let's just make this personal. When a Jesu Utsiba chokota runa Jesu when Utsiba chokota kilela huena Gabilu erobeile Khateti ibile ki metswi kilela buena kabilu robeile ki khateti ibile ki metswi na kisa khona Huicharela matla aka fella mona Hakisa khona huicharela Berea Kikupa tuso Join me. Gilila letsa mahlo aka ditabe Mo tuso ya ka itonde Tuso ya ka itlatswa huma Humopi wale odimo lelefatse South Africa Hare lila letse mahlo a rona ditabe Mo tuso ya rona itlatsonde Tuso ya runa itlatswa huma Humupi wali odimo lilifatse Yeah Yeah, no Ke 4:30 So I think Yeah, sure like it's not yet So I just want to thank everybody before Kiteta Kalepele ka le wa fo ya ka entle tumele Mculo and then Pinchaga Zamile for the support not only for emotional support but for the technical support as well and Kilebele Majita the Mculo crew everybody everyone who's watching Kaleboa holo so we're gonna do our last song no Yeah. And Kalrata holo guys. Kalrata and I don't only love you but I appreciate you guys a lot. Yeah, yeah, please do enjoy this last song. And hurry me come out. What are you think? Hanzo shebile tso bo shoot ntono no post ka ra ki bono ki ne di ntsha ka poswa yeah. Feedback is good. Criticism is good, you know. And Kaleboa for all the critics. Kaleboa for all the advice, for everything Kaleboa. So yeah, pretty. Yeah. Another sofa. Yeah. Okay, it's a little thing. Yeah, hey. Like you get that Okay, so this is our last song. Yeah. I got this song. This link in the selfie take it born, guys. Go out born, that's selfie. Hey. Sheba morao ki hubola tsohle tse wa ke tse ntse tsona ke ka khutlela morao na ki sheba morao ki gopola tsohle tseo ke tse ding tse tsona ka khutlela morao che 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 And when I look back and think about what the Lord has done in my life, no, 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 I will never, 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 never. And when I look back and think about what the Lord has done in my life, I will never, never, never go back, go back, go back. No, no, no. Hey. No, no, no. I didn't want to watch my Sanjay. No, 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 no. That's it. No. No, 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 no. No, I will never go back. I will never go back. Never will I ever go back. I will never go back. Never will I ever go back. I will never go back. Never will I ever go back. Never will I ever go back. Never will I ever go back. Never, 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 never go back. Never will I ever go back. I will never go back. No, never, no, never, no, never, never. So this is the last part of the song, then. Yeah. So in Chile, pina khale ga ithinta, ga isa go twa batho. Wabo. Hey, first, Evangeli. Utayuka, I'm not the line. Ela kudala. Ela sikulu like she's all of it. Very nice. So but when I never saw what I far, I get it today, nothing. Hey. Whoa. Evangeli. Ela kudala. Ela sikulula. Gugu yazawa rata kunikia teba blind. Eso nemi. Kemo buta the girls. Hey. Evangeli. Ela kudala. Ela sikulula. Yes, on baby. Yes, baby. Ilo. Evangeli. Ilo. Ela sikulula. umsebenzi wami nawe emhlabeni wonke ukuthi leli gama libhashazwe Mamela. Mame. Yilo. Awilo, mama. Awivangeli, hey. Yilo. Awilo, baba. Agereme, agereme. Uki. Awilo, baba. Guys, Yalaboa.